right? 25 ml of 0.1 molar solution of stable cation of transition metal Z reacts exactly with 25 ml of 0.04 molar acidified KMnO4 solution. Which of the following is most likely to represent the change in oxidation state of Z correctly, right? Here KMnO4 versus Z, titration between KMnO4 and Z. Molarity of KMnO4 is M1 equals to 0.04 molar, volume is 25 ml. Will we go for transition element Z? Molarity M2 equals to 0.1 molar, volume V2 equals to 25 ml. Want change in oxidation state. Change in oxidation state of Z from normality. N1 V1 equals to N2 V2. But relation between normality and molarity is normality equals to molarity into N factor. Molarity into N factor. Then it is M1 V1 into N factor of first one equals to M2 V2 into N factor of second one. From that, molarity of KMnO4 is 0.04, volume V1 25, N factor, number of electron transfer in acid medium, number of electron transfer in acid medium. KMnO4 in acid medium reduced to Mn plus 2. Oxidation of manganese in KMnO4 is plus 7, Mn plus 2, it is plus 2. Number of electron transfer are 5, and it is undergo reduction. Right. Here N factor is 5 into 5 equals to M2 0.1 into 25 into N factor of second one, that is Z. Then N factor of Z equals to 0.04 into 25 into 5 by 0.1 into 25. Then N factor of Z equals to 2. Number of electron transfer are 2. Z must be undergo oxidation. Z must be undergo oxidation. That's why option D is the correct one. That is Z plus 2, Z plus 4. It must be undergo oxidation. Right?